Welcome back to my channel. It's Adrian here. I'm going to do a quick video today on how to create your own splash page, and this is using Easy Hits for You. So let's move over to Easy Hits for You and let's have a look how to do this. Let me just close this off. So if you have an Easy Hits for You account, this is what your back office will look like. If you come down to Easy Splash Builder, and you've got here the green button here, add a new splash page. Now you can do this with Wizard or Editor. You can quickly create your own custom splash page for a popular program, or if you come over this side, you've got Editor, have something in mind and want to start from scratch. Now I use Wizard because I think it's easy. It gives you like templates that you can use. And this is a template that I used. Where is it? Down here. Use this template. You can see here. Wait a minute. Let's close that off. Use this layout. And this is where you can edit. You can put in the title of your page. You can link it to wherever you want it to redirect to. So that's where you put a URL in, and you can just change all this up. So you could just go, for instance, you could clear that and you could just go make money online. And you could just add something here, just get rid of that. Take the cap lock off, make $100 a day, something like that. And then you can add a few more about your program. It could be CBD oil, like that. Just add anything here. You can add your logo in here, and then when you add your link that's going to redirect these people that click on your splash page, when they hit sign up, it'll forward them and redirect them to your website. So we'll have a quick look at mine. That was just a run through of how you can make one. But if I come back to home, there's home. Here we go. Here's home. If I come over to websites, and this is mine here. You'll see here, this is mine, LL1. And let me just get rid of this bit at the top. It makes it look like it's from Easy Hits for You. That's mine, guys. So I've put most powerful lead and money grabbing system. I used that splash page I've just showed you. I edited it myself. Ready to go sales funnels, done for your autoresponder campaigns, beginner friendly, instant $6 commissions. Now, if I click here, sign up, it's going to redirect me now to the system, Lead Lightning. So that's how to make a cool splash page with Easy Hits for You. So I'll come back to the splash page again. And how I got this font, guys, this bold italic sans, I used a tool I use called YayText. YayText, YayText. You can change all your fonts to italic, to bold. You can make it look really nice, really professional. So that's what I use to make it look like this, guys. I use a tool called YayText. I might leave the link in the description of this video to that tool, so you can check that out as well. Make your fonts look really nice. But that was how to make a nice, easy splash page with Easy Hits for You. So we'll come back off that. If I come back to Easy Splash Builder, add a splash page. Again, I'll go to Wizard. Quick check through. Sometimes the internet can be running slow, guys. Like I said, you have all these templates. You can use this layout, Some of the ones you'll have to upgrade to use, but there's plenty of free ones here for you to use. So that was the video for today, guys. If you got value from that video, go ahead and smash a like on the video. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And if you want to see more content like this, click the notification bell in the corner and you'll be notified when I upload more content. So one more thing, guys, before I go. Continue to follow your government's guidelines on COVID-19. Look after your family and friends, and please, everyone, stay safe. So thanks for watching, guys. Link will be in the description to Easy Hits for You and YayText. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. Bye for now.